Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I figured since 98% of the poll on Instagram I did yesterday wanted this video, I decided to do it. It got very busy, so I didn't get as much footage as I would have liked. So we've been shut down since March 21st, and March 20th was my last day of doing clients, and now reopening is finally upon us here in Orange County, New York. Phase 2 is to begin this coming Tuesday, June 9th, which is 5 days away. Actually, that's the day this video will go up, so this is the night before I reopen. I pushed all my appointments back to June 12th, 8 weeks ago, and was right on the money with calculations. I am going to be back behind the chair starting Wednesday the 10th, which will be tomorrow if you're seeing this. I'm so itching to do hair, I couldn't wait the extra 2 days. I have plans on whipping out tutorial after tutorial. So under here I got all of my developer, and then I have a brand new Olaplex that I haven't opened, part 1 and 2. So far, so clean. This is what I've done so far. Long way to go, guys. Long way to go. Alright guys, ooh, look at my blue eyes. I bought the contacts after everybody said I look good in them with the filter. It's messy in here, don't mind it. It's messy all through here. We're trying to get everything ready as soon as possible. I'm gonna show you what I did. So this is like our break room where we come. So I'm redoing my whole cabinet, and I'm gonna show you because I have so much color. Alright. So alright, here I usually have my scale, my whisk, I mix my color up. Anne's is down there, her cart and stuff. I had so much Joy Lumishine because I used to use it for root toning a lot. And I have a bunch because I like to be stocked on what I use the most. Some toners that I'm willing to try, and I do like Joy Lumishine for demi, like low lights and all over colors and stuff as well. So I'll still use Joy Lumishine even though I've been using a lot of shades EQ. I always will love Joy Lumishine. I put them all in this little drawer so I can just pull it out. This thing I'm gonna put brushes and stuff in. That's all my excess combs and clips that I don't use. This goes underneath my drawer at my station. Let's start down here. I got my toning bottles, my brushes, my stash of shades EQ, my extra combs and stuff. Then this cabinet, the second one up, is my developer and bowls, the ones I'm using at the current time. This is where I have my stash of bleach, color remover, Olaplex part 1, Fiber Fix. This is all my permanent color and gold ball colorants and unopened colors that I roll up and use and put them in here, so I use them before I open any new ones. They didn't have many of the cans that I've been loving lately, so I had to get a whole bunch of the tubes, but this is the ones I'm using currently. These are my reds and copper shades, and then of course you guys have seen this before. This is my root shades. Then I go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is like what I'm using currently. Then I have the Sharpies, and I have, people ask all the time where I got the plastic boxes from. I got them from Amazon, and I didn't even glue them together. They literally fit like a glove, because I did have smaller ones before, but they only fit like 4 of the shades of Q. Then up here I have all my stash of foils, and 20,000 more boxes are on the way. My frame art order should be in this week, but I got some pop-ups. You guys know I used to love these. I have embossed for when I do teasy lights. I like them. But lately I've been in love with food service foils because I can pack more in. I love these. Habit Salon, Chrissy, she uses these, and I started using them a couple months back. I fell in love with them. And Framar has their own too, so I have 3 boxes of those. You rip them yourself. I'll see how I like those ones. And that's it so far for this break room and color room. I'll show you what I'm doing out here and let you know when I'm done. This is my old station. Look at all these brushes and stuff. This is where I stash all of my developer, and a brand new Olaplex number 1 and 2 is up there. I'm thinking of doing my board, some clips, some combs that I use, my favorite, and leave them here. And then I'm going to put away a lot of brushes and only keep maybe 3 or 4 out, and then a couple of my Olivia Evelyn brushes, Framars, and Bath Pack. I love all of them. and put some in here. And I like having sticky notes because I write down everything I've done so there's no confusion at the end when we add up all the amount of product that was used. This is my old station. As you can see, I used to have my stuff out here. Oh, I can't wait to try this. This is Kenra's Platinum Detox and Deflect. I always love Kenra's clarifying shampoo. Can't wait to try this. I like clarifying my blondes when I rinse the bleach out. And then my styling products. I haven't decided where I'm gonna put them, but we're not gonna leave them out. This station will now be when people check in, when they sign in, the time they log in, and their temperature and whatnot. So I'm so excited, guys. So excited. So I will be doing a video once we open showing you a day in the salon with clients and how everything is going to work this coming week when I return. I moved my station over one to the left so Anne, the owner, and I have 6 feet in between each of us for social distancing. We will not be double booking at this point in time. I'm not a big fan of that anyway. If you know me, you know that. We are required to wear masks and face shields during phase 2 here in Orange County, New York, and clients must wear a mask the entire session. Clients are also asked not to bring anything non-essential. When they arrive, they text me, and once it's okay for them to enter the premises, I tell them to do so. When they first arrive, they are asked a series of questions. Their temperature is then taken and must remain 99.5 or lower. If they are above that, they will be asked to reschedule and not be charged or penalized. There's so many new rules, such a new time we're living in, you guys. I will 150% shoot a day at the salon vlog showing you guys how we do everything. Of course, it's a learning experience. It's new to all of us, and that will be up probably my next upload. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified every time a new tutorial is posted. I do a video every Tuesday around 4 p.m. Eastern Time. As always, thank you for your continued love and support. This is what this channel is about, and I love you guys so much. Until the next time, so long for now. I see visions of everything we always dream.